Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero. To begin your rockstar journey, you'll need a compatible console or PC, a Guitar Hero controller, and a game disc or digital copy. We'll cover the most popular ways to enjoy this classic rhythm game, ensuring you have all the information to set up your system. Get ready to shred some virtual tunes and relive the glory days of plastic guitars and epic solos. It's time to find your inner rock legend. To truly play Guitar Hero, your most crucial piece of equipment is the iconic guitar controller. These come in various models, often with 5 colored fret buttons, a strum bar, and a whammy bar. You'll also need a console like a PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360, or a powerful personal computer. Make sure your controller is compatible with your chosen system for seamless gameplay. Having the right gear makes all the difference in hitting those perfect notes. Guitar Hero offers a rich library of games, from the original to World Tour and Warriors of Rock. These titles were released on platforms like PlayStation 2, Xbox 360, and Wii. For those without original consoles, PC emulation, such as Clone Hero, provides an excellent alternative, often supporting custom songs. This expands your song list beyond original discs, offering endless hours of rhythm-based fun. Choose the version that best suits your setup. Setting up your Guitar Hero experience is straightforward. First, connect your guitar controller. This might involve a USB dongle for wireless guitars or a direct cable. Next, insert your game disc or launch your digital game or emulator on your PC. Once the game loads, navigate to the options menu to calibrate your audio and video. This ensures your notes register perfectly with the music. Now, select your favorite song, choose your difficulty, and prepare to rock out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.